Hi, I'm Trent with L2L, and welcome to our Q4 edition of Tips and Tricks. Today, I'm going to look at a few cool new features that are part of our Operator Portal's general availability release. If you're a shop floor worker, you're going to love how simple and easy this makes your work each and every day. Let's dig in. First, we're going to start at the top of the screen and check out the new notification bell. This is fed by L2L's Machine Connect data. Using signals directly from the machine, you get alerts when conditions exceed preset parameters, indicating that trouble is on the horizon. When that happens and the machine sends a signal, the notification bell will light up and you'll get a notification at the top of your operator portal. From there, you can assess the situation at the machine and fill in the dispatch type and reason code based on what you see. When your maintenance team comes to help, they'll have the right tools and be ready to make the right fix, so your line can get up and running quickly. The second feature we want to highlight today is our new eKanban queue at the top of the screen. Let's say you're working on an order and then you run out of materials. Now, you can pull up the list of orders and proceed to the next order in the queue. Once the materials for the first order are back, you can quickly toggle back to the order screen and resume your first order. The third new Operator Portal feature that I'd like to highlight is the list of standard work in the middle of the screen. As you all know, you've got to put in time on your line doing checks and preventative work to keep everything running smoothly. This button lets you see your assigned work and lets you check off items as you get stuff done. Finally, let's take a look at one more Operator Portal feature that is being powered by our L2L Machine Connect data. At the bottom of your Operator Portal, you'll see the demand versus actuals chart. This updates in real time as you work. The red actuals show whether you're achieving your goals, in blue, or you're missing them. You can track hourly or by 4-hour time periods to keep track throughout your shift. So go ahead and try out all these features in our exciting new Operator Portal. We think it'll help you hit those blue demand numbers and showcase your talent on the shop floor. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks coming from L2L. Till next time.